You ever sit with yourself and realize your emotions don't just happen to you? They practically kick the door in like they paid rent. Some people feel things like a ripple. Emotional empaths feel things like, well, guess the entire ocean decided to move in. And if you're an emotional empath, you know exactly what I mean. You're not reading the room, you're absorbing the room. Like your nervous system accidentally downloaded everyone else's emotional RAM. And you're left wondering why your mood can change faster than a toddler discovering gravity. Emotional empaths don't just perceive emotions, they merge with them. Neuroscience suggests that your insula, the region that processes internal states, runs like a high performance engine with no idle mode. Someone walks in the room with a pocket of shame, you sense it like a dog hearing a frequency humans can't. Someone pretends they're fine, you felt the turbulence 3 seconds before they spoke. It's a gift, and also the reason you're emotionally drained most afternoons, like you've been in silent combat with other people's moods. Emotional empaths feel emotions like giant clouds, shapeless, consuming, hard to hold. So give the emotion texture. Someone else's anxiety, dry sandpaper. Your own grief, cold fog. Random secondhand frustration, sticky glue. Your calm, soft velvet. Then ask, do I want to hold this texture? Your brain responds faster to symbolic texture than emotional labels, giving you instant emotional separation without disconnecting from your empathy. Every emotion entering your system must show ID. Actively ask, who sent you? Are you here for me? Do you have permission to stay? If not, stamp it return to sender and visualize it walking away dramatically. This restores emotional boundaries without making you colder or less sensitive. When an emotion feels overwhelming, you're often locked into a single perceptual angle. Visualize tilting it. This symbolic shift calms the amygdala and reminds your mind this emotion is real, but it's not absolute. Empaths often feel emotions as if they're happening right this moment, even when they belong to the past or to someone else. So you timestamp. This is from this morning. This is from them. This is actually mine. Your brain organizes emotions by time automatically. You're just giving it a nudge. Give your emotion a creature form and let it speak. Ask, what's your job? Are you protecting me? Are you actually mine? This creates playful distance, so you can listen to your emotions without being swallowed by them. So being an emotional empath isn't a weakness. It's a way of being deeply, profoundly alive. You don't need to mute your sensitivity. You just need to guide it so it doesn't run the whole show. Your emotions are information, not orders, not obligations, just signals waiting for you to choose how to respond. You can and do feel the whole world. Just remember, not all of it belongs in your heart. This is part one in a 4-part series we're going to do on the different type of empaths. You could be one of them, or like me, a combination of several of them. So stay tuned and let me know. And remember, my little cherubs, Meemaw's always rooting for you.